Hi, say let's go to the dentist. Hold on. Let's go. Says come in. Go in. Hi.
This is very human. Wait, where's YouTube? Oh my gosh, they removed the YouTube?
Look what's on.
I've never seen that movie. What, zombies? It's got zombies.
Thank you for coming early.
It's so cool.
See what the dentist office offers? They offer iPads to play and a TV.
Oh, guess what? Guess what, kids? Do you know Siri's on the iPad? Yeah.
Yeah, look how cute this office is.
But this one doesn't work. It looks like a movie theater. You know what this reminds me? It reminds me of get my phone. Okay.
Yeah, picture.
I'm so scared.
I gotta get a picture of you. Go. Go that way.
So scared.
You're not scared.
Just go ahead and sit right there for me while I set it all up, okay?
Just gotta take pictures of your teeth.
Oh, the good stuff. I see that.
This one's super easy. Alright, so we're all ready to
You said you like Cameron taking pictures, so you're gonna take a picture of your teeth.
for her.
My sister, since you were a good helper, I have a sticker and a coin for you too, okay? Do you want to hold on to sister's stickers?
So we're gonna use this guy right here today, okay? He's gonna go around your head and he shows us all your teeth in there, okay?
Okay, go over there.
Hold on just a minute. I gotta get it all set up just a sec, okay? Hold on, stand back.
Start there.
I'm so scared now.
Just gonna take a picture.
It's actually one of the coolest pictures we have. Alright, but go ahead and walk in. Do you want to put your phone right there?
Yeah.
Okay. Go ahead and walk in. So this guy right here, let's see. Okay. So see how there's grooves here? Top teeth and bottom teeth in the grooves, okay? Mm-hmm. Go ahead.
Put that in your mouth.
Yep.
Put your teeth there.
Open for me so I can see. And, oh, let me see. Scoot up just a little bit more. Okay, bite down for me. Open just a little bit. Open up. And then back up just a little bit. Oh, hold on, bud. Okay, now bite down slowly with your teeth. And just hold that guy with your teeth, okay? But I want you to walk in slowly with your feet.
Come in
Walk
closer.
with your feet. There you go. Okay. Put your hands right here for me, okay, buddy? You think you're going to hold your head still. And that's just so your head doesn't move for me, okay? Because it's...
It looks like the forest showering.
Alright, and then your job is just to hold really, really still for me, okay, bud? It takes about 20 seconds, but leave your hand here, okay? I can't have you move anywhere, okay? Alright, I'll let you
Don't
know when
move.
we're finished, okay? Hold really, really still. Alright, so when these guys release, you can walk out for me, okay? And then you get to see the picture over there on my computer. There you go, open. Alright.
Good job.
Do you want to see the picture that you took?
Yep.
Alright. See, is that pretty cool? So look, let me show you something interesting. You see right here and right here?
Mm-hmm.
Those are your ears.
Yeah.
And then right here, these big circles?
Don't please tell me this is my wobbly tooth.
Which one?
This one.
Nope, that's one of your big boy teeth.
Okay.
So all of these right here you see?
Yeah.
All of those are big boy teeth. Yeah.
In fact, these two I'm missing. Yeah.
Yeah, because those are big boy teeth.
Those are big boy teeth. These up here are big boy teeth. These up here, those big circles right here, buddy, those are your eyes, and then your nose is right there. Is that pretty cool? Yeah, those are one of my favorite pictures. All right, let's wipe everything down really quick.
Wow.
That's cool, huh?
You don't want to share.
Wow, that's a cool computer. It looks like a...
Look at your teeth. Look how many teeth you have.
Yeah, I'm missing these tooth.
No, those teeth are coming in. Those are your
Yeah.
big boys.
Yeah.
All right, buddy, we're going to go use
Wow.
some sealants, okay?
Yeah!
And I'll show
Wait,
you-
what?
Yeah, we're going to paint on your teeth. Follow me.
What? Paint teeth like
Follow her.
that.
Well, this is a different kind of paint. This is one that's going to stay on your teeth for a little while.
Oh, I watched the Toy Story 4 before.
Was it good?
Yeah.
I want to see it. Go ahead and have a seat here for me, buddy.
Sit down.
Yeah. All right. So I'm going to lean your chair back, and then we'll show you some stuff, okay? All right. Lean your chair all the way back. A little bit more.
It looks like a living room chair when the dude's like that.
Yeah, like a recliner.
Or a bed.
Yeah, kind of like that. Can we have you scoot all the way up into the pillow for me up here? Keep going. A little bit more. There you go. Perfect. Right there, buddy. All right. I'm going to put the bib on you, so can we move your phone down just a little bit? Cool. All right. All right, buddy.
Okay.
All right. So let me show you this guy, okay?
Where's the guy?
This little guy.
There's another guy on the
Sounds like a vacuum, okay? Let me show you. Sounds just like that. You can feel him. You can touch him. You want to touch him? He's really squishy. So what he does is he sucks up all the water, yep, just like that. And you just rest your teeth on this side, okay? And it keeps your mouth open so I can see all your teeth in there. Keeps them nice and dry too, okay? Do you want some sunglasses for the light?
Yeah.
Please.
I'll let you put those on.
Thank
It
you.
looks like the other ones.
Yeah.
Last time I met here.
They're all pretty much the same, huh?
Yeah.
Okay. And then we'll put your hands down by your sides. All right, and I want you to open as big as you can. Big, 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 because we got to put this guy in, okay? Open really, really big. Don't bite just yet, okay? Stay open as big as you can. I promise he'll fit in there, okay? So what he's going to do, he sits just like that, okay? I got to get him on the side of your cheek, though.
Oh.
Just like that, okay, buddy? Okay, I'm going to turn him on. See? Just like that. Kind of like a vacuum, huh? Is that pretty cool? Okay. Now I'm going to use a little bit of air just to dry your teeth off, okay? Good job, bud. Alright. So I got a little bit of blue stuff I got to paint on your teeth here, okay? And it's just going to clean your teeth off for me. You're doing a good job. Super easy. Hold on just a second, okay? Alright, I'm going to scrub around just a little bit. Okay, buddy. And then we're going to use some more water to rinse it off, okay? I'm going to use some air too. Let's fix your good. Hold on. Okay, some water. Oh, you're almost done with these, okay? Some air really quick. Yeah, breathe through your nose, bud.
Breathe through your nose.
Yeah. You can. We're almost done with these two, okay? You're doing a good job. So we gotta use a little more air to dry it off again. You're almost done. Breathe through your nose. Breathe through your nose. You can do it. You're doing it. You're doing a good job. 2 done. Now we got 2 more on this side, okay? Can we do those other 2 really quick? Yeah? Let's do them. Then you'll be all finished and you get some prizes, okay? Open as big as you can. Okay, remember he's got to sit back there, so you got to open a little bit bigger for me, okay? There you go. Good job. Got to get him down by that too. There we go. Good job, buddy. Same thing with the other side, okay? There we go. Now some more air, okay? You got to dry them off. Make sure they're nice and dry. Got my blue shampoo here. I'm going to put it on your tooth to make sure it's nice and clean again. Everything's the same as we did on the other side, okay, bud? Super easy. Let's scrub them a little bit, okay, buddy? Mickey Mouse? Super easy, huh? Yeah. All right, bud. Open big. All right, let's give you some water. Hold on. I want to give you some water. Close your lips. And open. All right, you're all finished. Was that super easy? Yeah.
Was that only my tooth?
It did such a good job.
Yeah.
All right.
We come here from for my teeth.
Yeah.
And my mom is recording for a YouTube video.
That's cool though, right?
I even have a YouTube channel called yeah, it's called Noah Tour Review.
So you get to open toys and stuff?
Yeah.
That's pretty awesome.
Even my mom is gonna release a pool video.
All right. Are you ready for prizes?
Yes, 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 yes!
Let's go get a prize.
All right. You're all finished, buddy. Okay. There you go. You can
Say
get
thank
whatever
you.
want. You're welcome.
I could get anything I want.
Anything you want.
Whatever you want.
So I don't only need one.
What do you want?
Oh my gosh, this looks very funny. How about these?
Whatever you want.
This?
If that's what you want, get one.
this in. Put this in. Wait, what? What is supposed to be this?
It's a top.
That's the top?
You gonna get something else?
Yeah. How about these?
Okay, put one in there. There, you got a ball.
This is so cool. So cool. Everyone, thank you for watching for my Dennis video.
Like,
Don't
comment.
forget to give me that thumbs up and hit that red subscribe button. And what else?
Check out your website.
God, no,